Hey, how y'all doing? Time for a 3-hole oil change. Dickin ran in the shed. You've seen me do it hundreds of times. I got 60,000 miles on my bike now. Road glide, Andy. Yeah. You know, because I'm on the road. I don't get to ride every day. Well, when I do, I put on some miles. Run that intro. Alright, it's done hot because we just been out riding, rode all day, 200 something miles. A pretty day. Wife's watching her washing it. And it's season time. It's allergy season. So get your oil pan, get your wrenches, and get on your knees. And pray that you don't mess something up. Oh Lordy. Oil, transmission,
I like doing transmission first, because it goes straight down. Yep. Straight down. Are you ready? Can you see? This one, now you don't touch. Now loosen that, now loosen this one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, it's hot, hot, hot.
Yep. That's pretty clean for 5,000 miles. Yeah, I say so.
Loosen enough so I can get it off of my fingers. Ooh, that's hot. And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. That's black as all get out. Yep. There ain't really 5,000 miles on it since, because Lee changed it when he did the motor. It's still hot. So, I don't know what's on it. I forget what mileage was. I think about maybe 4,000 on it. 3,500 maybe. Ooh, there it goes.
I like to take my primary cover off first. Hey, when you got dirty hands, these TKO hand wipes from Sweet Patina, use Pudding Fab Shop PFS 64 for a discount. They smell so good and they clean so good. That was my commercial. take brake cleaner and spray through with the oil when you put the oil thing back on and take it off. You drip some oil down in there, so I spray some brake cleaner and clean the oil off. After all you do all that, one more step. Uh-oh, don't lose me. It's a good hat. You got to reset your 5,000 miles deal, or oil service, whatever it's called. Turn it on. Let it do its little boot up. And you get that screen, press and hold this, the power button off. It'll take a few seconds if I do it right. There, see, there it goes. And you got all this display, DDTC. You can check it. There's no log. Audio display. You want to scroll down, reset, pre-calibrated, I don't know, post-calibrated, post-caliber reset, mileage resets one we want, service reset, clear info screen mileage since last service. Yes, mileage service has been resetted. And then you can go to home. After all that, can you go back out? Yep. Here we go. Then you go, just hold your that, go to engine, 0. Distance since last service, 0, because we ain't went nowhere. Oh, it's in neutral. It's not in neutral. Maybe. It's 77.9 degrees right now. You gotta quit nutting. Where they at? Where they go? Speak. 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 Who's that? Get him. Get him. Who's that? Chicken truck. That's what we've seen, some chicken manure. Manure. Sweet patina, sweet TKO hand cleaner, right? And believe me, I've had this one for over a year now, and it ain't dried up yet. They smell really good. They got really aggressive. Here. So you can go to Sweet Patina and put in the code PF. P is in Paul. P is in put. F is in fabricating. S is in shop. 64. PFS 64. PFS 64. Smells good. You know, while I'm going cleaning my hands and sniff my rag here, check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and let's get to whatever else we got to do. Nothing.